If Newton revealed gravity as the force that unites the earth and the heavens, later generations discovered another truth. Gravity is also the silent sculptor of form. It is not only a law of motion, but an artist's hand, shaping matter into spheres, mountains and landscapes. Consider the Earth. Left to the chaos of collisions and accretions in the early solar system, our planet should have been an irregular lump of rock and metal. Yet, over time, gravity pulled every particle toward the center, smoothing out the roughness, ironing away the extremes, until Earth became a near-perfect sphere. The larger a body, the more gravity dominates, forcing matter into symmetry. Jupiter and Saturn, giants of gas, are swollen spheres compressed by the very weight of their mass. Even stars, burning with nuclear fire, owe their spherical perfection to gravity's relentless grip. But gravity does not always complete the work of perfection. On smaller worlds, its pull is weaker, and irregularities remain. Mars, for instance, though round, is lumpier than Earth. Its reduced gravity, only 1/3 of Earth's, allows mountains to rise higher and valleys to plunge deeper. Olympus Mons, a volcano towering 16 miles into the sky, could never exist on Earth. Our stronger gravity would have crushed it under its own weight. On Mars, however, gravity's hand is gentle enough to let such a titan stand. The difference becomes even more striking on smaller bodies. Asteroids, comets, meteorites. With diameters of just a few kilometers, their gravity is too feeble to impose symmetry. They spin through space in odd, jagged forms, dog-bone shapes, flattened pancakes, tumbling shards. They are cosmic misfits, rebels against the smooth roundness of planets. Yet even here, gravity exerts influence. It may not sculpt them into perfect spheres, but it still binds their fragile pieces together, preventing them from drifting apart. A vivid example came in 2014, when the European Space Agency's Rosetta probe arrived at Comet 67P after a decade-long journey. The comet was nothing like a sphere. Instead, it resembled a rubber duck, with a rounded head and a bulky body connected by a narrow neck. Its surface was porous, soft as pumice, dust and ice loosely held. And yet gravity kept it whole. Even in this fragile, foamy body, gravity was at work, quietly asserting its will. In this way, gravity shows itself not only as a law of attraction, but as a cosmic artisan. It moulds the roundness of planets, permits the extravagance of Martian volcanoes, and preserves the strangeness of comets. Every world we see, the glowing giants, the rocky spheres, the wandering fragments, bears the imprint of gravity's hand. It is a patient artist, working slowly but inexorably, sculpting the raw chaos of the cosmos into enduring shapes.